Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to view your hosting appointments on a calendar. First, this is the first calendar, and I will also show you how to see them in this style of list. Upcoming appointments and past ones. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, log into your Hostinger account and go to websites. Now, next to the website that you want to check your appointment calendars on, click on Manage Store. This way, you will land automatically on the store management area instead of the website builder. Now, go to Appointments, then click on Overview, and this way you will see your upcoming appointments, and the past ones. And if you want to see your appointments on a calendar style, simply I will show you how I look at them. I see them on my Google Calendar. This is another style that you can view your current all your appointments. Just click on it and it will open up. This is another one. This is another one. All of those appointments are sent or are synced automatically to Google Calendar because here I connected my Google Calendar account. How to do it? It's simple. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger website builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger website builder, how to choose and customize your template, how to master page and navigation design, also design pages and add in content, building specific page types, blogging with Hostinger builder, create an online store, forms in general, emails and the integrations, advanced features and design enhancement, SEO, analytics and tracking tools, backup and cloning maintenance, and also final touches and optimization. To get all of this today for free, plus my other free online courses, which are Google Sites, Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost web hosting, Hostinger web hosting, Hostinger WordPress, and also Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. All of those appointments are sent or are synced automatically to Google Calendar because here I connected my Google Calendar account. How to do it? It's simple. Click on List of Appointments, then open the appointment products that you want to connect, and here, not the appointment products, my bad. Click on Availability, and here next to connect your calendar, you will see your calendar is not connected and you will see a connect button. Simply click on it, select a Google account, and after giving access to your Google account, you'll start seeing automatically your appointments on Google Calendar. And how to visit your Google Calendar? Just go to calendar.google.com. And this is how to see your appointments in a calendar in Hostinger website build. And this is how to view your Hostinger appointments on your calendar. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.